Hey everyone, just a quick update, shop update. I got the concrete done. So they came in this morning, got it all poured. The finish guy just left. He ran the power trowel over this. You can see it's kind of like blackened, shiny in certain areas. That's because he ran that power trowel over it until he can get me the smoothest finish possible with that. Pretty happy with that. I want this thing to be like actually slick. You know, some people are like, oh, if it gets wet, you're going to slip and fall, but I don't care. That's what I want, because if you spill oil or whatever, I want to be able to just wipe it up without having to worry about it staying in the concrete. So, yeah, pretty happy with it. This is a big nightmare headache to get it to be this point. But now I've sent out the picture to the building manufacturer. They're going to probably contact me this week and get the building scheduled to install. And yeah, so I got footage of them actually doing the pour. So I'm going to put together a compilation video of that, as well as the work that was done here in the machine shop. We're almost done in there. I'd say we're about 95% done, maybe even closer than that. For those of you who've been following me here on social media, you know that I was working on my airlines. So I'm working on that. That's not 100%, but it's pretty close. And I got to drop one more power wire for my welder. But other than that, that's pretty much ready to go. So I'm going to work on getting that video compilation together and put together something nicer than this. And we'll go from there. So anyways, that's it for now. Can't wait to get the building up. Talk to you guys later.